about this Indian of Kolas Cholas Kashas, I once heard from Rabbi Avram Shmulevitz in the Mir, one of the Ramim, one of the revered, tremendous Magid Shir, Rabbi Avram, I remember he once told me, it was the beginning of this man, and he said, "Nu, how's it going? How's this man?" And I said, "Baruch Hashem." It was hard. We were learning Shvar Masechta, and it was a Shvar Sugya, and I said, I was very clear. I'm working hard, and I'm trying hard, and it's hard. And he looked at me, put his hand on my shoulder, and he said, "Nu, es steht in Chazal, as Kolas Cholas Kashas, es ist nicht Kashas, nicht in Haskalah." He said, Chazal say that all beginnings are hard, they're difficult, and he said if it's not difficult, it's not a beginning. That was his musar. So if we find anything that we are embarking on, any journey, any midah that we're trying to overcome, we're trying to start a new seder, we're trying to start davening better, we're trying to work on a ben adam chaver, ben adam makom, and our bitachon, whatever it is, the beginning is going to be hard. We're going to encounter a lot of resistance and setbacks, and we're going to fall, and we're going to encounter failure. But if it's not kasha, Rav Shmuel said, if it's in a kasha, it's in a schala. If it's not hard, it's not a beginning. And if we want to get to the end, then we have to begin. And if we want to begin, we have to realize it's going to be difficult. But when you overcome those challenges, then ultimately it's going to become easy. It's going to ultimately become sweet and rewarding.